You don't need to get back to nature in Grand County. You're deep in the heart of an area where animals and wildlife are around every turn.
Residents find that the hillsides and often their backyards are home to our deer, while beavers and river otters occupy the streams below.
Their neighbors, the moose, typically hang out near the willows. Also in the meadows are fox and coyotes, who share it with the herds of elk, which are famous for their bugling.
In the high country are bighorn sheep and mountain goats, along with the woodchucks of the tundra, the marmots.
Black bears tend to stay out of sight in the backcountry. However, you may encounter them in town as they come down to forage for food.
Pronghorn are most often seen among the sage throughout the county. Don't forget to look up. Often you'll see bald eagles soaring through our deep blue skies.
If wildlife viewing in Grand County is this awesome when you visit, think what it's like when you live here.